Traditionally, the neon lines are embedded or attached to the mounting surface vertically, horizontally, or upside down. But these two direct installations are not up to the job when you have limited space or need a special lighting angle. Hi there, I'm here to introduce our auxiliary accessories which are able to provide custom solutions for limited installations. The first one is the rotary locking brackets. If you want to make lights more focused on and highlight a specific spot or object, with these brackets, which has precise scale design, you can easily adjust the lighting angle to your liking. In cases where there are under benches or corners applications and you have to make the light's direction in a 45 degree, this mounting bracket is the ideal solution. When you want to make the lights go straight up or down like this image, the light emitting direction is in parallel with the insulation wall, but there is no mounting surface to fix the profile. This L bracket is perfect for such situations. This is the suspending mounting clip. It will co-use the steel rod to help secure wavy or serpentine insulation in place. But if it's just a string light require or a random shade insulation, we recommend using the suspending mounting wire, as it's more user-friendly. Here, I'd like to share a project case that was finished by our domestic customer a while ago. But remember, both suspending mounting kits are able to realize artistic and ornamental ceiling lighting. Last but not least, it's the ceiling mounting clip. Use this clip together with our French profile so you can fix the light on the ceiling securely. Let's check out a video to see how it's installed and used. That's all for today's video. Hope it inspires you in your coming projects. To find out more videos like this, visit our channel. Bye!